didn't see you there. I'm just being very glamorous and luxurious over here. Hi guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am pretending that my bathrobe is like a really luxurious, like fancy coat because it's kind of fitting for this look. We're doing a very glam, very extra, very beautiful, neutral, kind of goldy, sparkly, like very glitzy, this look actually could work for New Year's Eve or a holiday party, you know, really any kind of like special occasion where you want to look classic and beautiful, but also wear glitter in like a tasteful, effortless way. So if you want to hang out with me and see how I created this look, then let's fucking do it! Since we're being super glamorous and effortless and flawless and classy, today what you're gonna want to do is bring yourself down a notch and grab a slice of cold pizza. Is there anything better than cold pizza? Like, honestly, is there? Just gonna spray a little bit of this Quick Fix by Urban Decay all over my face. Probably should have made sure that I covered up my pizza before I did that. It's okay, now it's hydrated. So I'm gonna try out the Urban Decay Primer Potion again. I used this in a video where I accidentally deleted it, which is cool. But I ended up actually liking how the eyeshadow performed with this stuff, and I've used it in the past and never really liked it, so I don't know. Maybe I just got like a bad tube, but this is a new one, and I liked the way I looked. Okay, so this is gonna be kind of like a neutrally vibe, so we're gonna use the Sultry palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna dip into Fresh and set the primer. This is also gonna be like the lid shade, so next up we're going into Twig, and this is gonna go in the crease just a little bit, just to kind of like, you know, define the crease. If I don't define my crease, bitch, then it kind of looks like I don't have one. So just blend that around and then grab a clean brush or a brush that you just wiped on your robe, you know, and blend out that edge into nothingness. So next we're taking Noir on a little brush here, and we're patting it on the very outer corner. So that's the shape that we're going for. It's unblended, but yeah, that's the shape. And it's kind of habitual to want to like drag it around like the outer corner and back into the crease, but we're not doing that for this look. We're just kind of stamping it on the outer part and then a little bit on the lower lash line, only on like the outer half, so like don't go past your iris. So now we're just blending, literally just scrubbing back and forth with my brush. I'm trying not to do the windshield wiper motions because we don't want the black in the crease. We only want the black on the outer, and we want to bring it out like a cat eye type thing. So blending out just a stark black eyeshadow is gonna take a while. So just, you know, keep blending, take your time, maybe grab a snack. And then just to make it look a little bit more seamless, I'm gonna take Birch from Sultry. You guys, I know I was saying like, oh, do I really need this palette when I reviewed it? I keep reaching for it. Anastasia shadows are just bomb, and it's a neutral palette pretty much, but like it's great. Now we're gonna do some winged eyeliner. Now you guys wanted me to do an unedited winged eyeliner tutorial, but I don't think I have time to do that right now. This is LA Splash Dementor. Okay guys, so for the next step, as you can see, this is what we're going for, this smoky kind of looking, soft looking liner. The brush that you use is going to be pretty important for this step. This is a very cheap Wet n Wild brush that I think I got at the dollar store. Nice and firm, and I always use this for push liner and just any sort of black eyeshadow work. So we're going to dip into Noir, tap off the excess, and you're just gonna pat that right on the edge of the liner. And gently kind of just like drag the excess upward, like blend upwards. And see how nice and like soft the liner looks now? Oh, I'm also, while I'm at it, I'm taking that brush and putting a little bit more black right here, very close to the lower lash line. Now for the fun part, which is the glitter. This is by Lemonhead LA. This product is called Space Jam, and it's in the shade Crystal Tokyo. Look at that shit. Absolutely obsessed with this product. It's like no other glitter gel that I've used before, and it like the mixture, it's got like big pieces and little pieces and different colors, and it's just so absolutely amazing. So just gonna grab a little bit on our brush and make sure not to get it on the liner, but we're gonna spread that on the inner half of the lid. See all of the little different sizes of glitter in there? Ugh, I'm obsessed. It stays kind of like wet and sticky and easy to mold around and move things around. So like if you have a big chunk that you want to get rid of, or you want to add a bigger chunk somewhere, or spread it around, it's really easy to use. I love it. My tip though is try not to get too much in your crease, because it can kind of feel annoying. I'm gonna run through my face makeup really quick and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so the base is down in the contour, and before we do blush and lips and all that, let's finish up these eyes. They're pretty much done for the most part. The only thing I want to do is add a little bit, let's do a little bit of Twig, this one. On the lower lash line, just to get a little color down there. You could certainly skip this step if you want to have it more of like a clean, open, fresh, classic look, but I kind of like the little bit of grungy vibes that this will give us. And then I think I'm going to go into Pearl for the inner corner, as well as a tiny bit up here under the brow. Okay, so for this particular look, we're going to do a nude pencil in the waterline. This is the NYX Wonder Pencil. Next, I'm just curling my lashes. I'm only going to put mascara on the outer half of my lower lashes, because this whole look is all about like having the eye look very snatched to the side. That helps with the effect, not drawing attention to the in part right here, the inner part. Lash shape for this particular look is pretty important. We want to accentuate the cattiness of this eye, so everything should be going out this way. So this is the kind of lash that I like to go with. For reference, see how it's tiny here in the front and then it fans out? It's gonna leave a lot of space. Oh god. Lash down. It's in my sleeve. Usually I don't like the ones that kind of do that, I don't know. But for this particular eye look, we want to have like the focal point be right here where all the glitter is, and then everything snatched to the side. So it really complements winged liner, I think. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna pop this on. Where the fuck is my glue? Okay, got it. So while the lashes kind of settle in and dry a little bit, let's do highlight and blush and all that shit. So I'm gonna go in with Moon Tears by Wet n Wild, which is a loose highlighter. Take a big brush and slather that shit all over your cheekbone. Lately, I've been wondering, like, where the fuck am I supposed to highlight on my forehead? I just feel like my forehead is such a weird shape, but I want it to have a little something because I don't want it to look too dry, but I don't really know what I'm doing with that. All right, we're glowing to the gods, but I'm adding a little bit of Atomic Makeup's new highlighter in Stare and Glare, which is a really interesting gold color. How cool is that? It's got like this shadowy underbase or something that just makes it, the gold color of it, like really pop. I don't know how they did it, but it's like some sort of witchcraft. Anyway, I'm just patting a little bit of that all over the freaking face just to add a little bit of extra gold. I'm gonna go into this kind of subtle blush. This is Wet n Wild Apricot in the middle. And normally I like to concentrate my blush like right there on the apples of my cheek and not drag it out this way too much. But today we're being cat-like. So we're gonna do the kind of sideways angular blush. There are a ton of different lip colors that would look bomb with this. I'm gonna see what it would look like with black, just because that's my favorite. Alright guys, here's the finished look. No, I'm not going to change it on my bathrobe because honestly, it looks pretty luxurious. But yeah, I really like how this looks with a black lip. I might actually swap it out and show you what it's going to look like with a nude because I'm going shopping and don't think I want to wear a black lip just in case it starts to wear away or whatever. So let me show you how that's going to look in just one sec. Okay, you know what? Before I take this lip off, I need to see what the Space Jam would look like on my lips. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Wow, okay, you guys, do we love it? Do we hate it? I mean, if this look doesn't say I'm here to party, then I don't know what does, honey. This looks so freaking amazing on a black base. I need to try slapping this on a black smoky eye or something. So pretty. I don't know if I really like it on the lips. God, it looks so cool, but it's not very wearable. It's probably gonna look great in pictures, but yeah, I'm obsessed with this lemon head stuff. I'm gonna take this off and we'll see how it looks with a nude. So this is the look with a nude, which is beautiful, flawless, effortless, stunning, gorgeous, classic, timeless. This is Kat Von D Bow and Arrow, which is a really like perfect freaking nude. A little dry though. Okay, yeah. So I just put a gloss on top of it. This was Nightclub by Atomic Makeup. Makes it a little bit more wearable. Let me know what you guys think of the look. Let me know if you like the black matte lipstick or with the glitter or the nude with or without the gloss. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.